Volvo, a brand renowned for its robust engineering, timeless design, and commitment to safety, is bringing back an iconic nameplate with the 2025 Volvo P1800 Classic. The revival of the P1800 captures the essence of the original 1960s model, blending classic styling cues with modern performance and technology. The 2025 version aims to tap into that heritage while offering a car that meets the expectations of contemporary drivers. The 2025 Volvo P1800 Classic is a masterclass in retro design, meticulously crafted to pay homage to the original while incorporating modern advancements. The silhouette of the car remains true to the classic P1800 coupe, with sleek, flowing lines and a low-slung stance that oozes elegance. At the front, the classic Volvo grille has been reinterpreted with a modern touch, featuring a sleek, chrome frame and vertical slats that evoke a sense of timeless elegance. The circular headlights have been updated with state-of-the-art LED technology but retain the shape and positioning of the original, giving the car a nostalgic yet futuristic look. The rear of the 2025 P1800 Classic also nods to its heritage with taillights that mirror the original's horizontal, wraparound design. However, they have been updated with advanced LED lighting, providing a modern glow that enhances both safety and aesthetics. This is a car that will turn heads, whether parked or in motion, thanks to its blend of vintage charm and contemporary details. Step inside the 2025 Volvo P1800 Classic, and you're greeted by a cabin that elegantly fuses retro aesthetics with modern luxury. The dashboard retains the simple, uncluttered look of the original P1800, with a prominent center console and minimalistic design elements. The seats are designed to provide both comfort and support, with ergonomic contours that hug the body during spirited driving. Beneath its retro-inspired bodywork, the 2025 Volvo P1800 Classic is powered by state-of-the-art technology. Volvo offers a couple of powertrain options, including both hybrid and fully electric variants. The hybrid version pairs a turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 engine with an electric motor, providing ample power for spirited driving while ensuring efficient fuel consumption. The combined output is expected to be around 300 horsepower, which delivers brisk acceleration and smooth power delivery. The 2025 Volvo P1800 Classic is more than just a car. It's a tribute to Volvo's rich heritage while showcasing the brand's commitment to innovation and sustainability. By blending classic design with modern technology, Volvo has created a car that appeals to both enthusiasts of vintage automobiles and drivers looking for a stylish, high-performance vehicle that meets the demands of the 21st century.